Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's update our view on the gold market. So actually you can see here a strong performance. I suggested that should be completion of the 18 even target, but maybe I thought it will be a bit slower. So yesterday it was really fast action. The market mostly has shown the tail closing around the XOP and here's probably we should first of all acknowledge set the next target nearest standing on a lower time frame, because action is too strong and actually compared to the euro currency market is not at overbought at any time frame. It means that it could climb slightly higher, but at the same time I'm still hope that probably we could get this head and shoulders. So until market is calling around this area, maybe it will be slightly higher, maybe, but in general until it won't continue the upward action directly, I still consider this pattern as a possible one. So let's see what will happen, because many markets currently coming to resistance or supports, as the dollar index for example, and many of them are overbought, oversold on the weekly time frame. So definitely no doubts that markets currently start playing the card of the dovish Fed policy. We already explained many times why it not actually stands really so, but markets are would like to see see only what they would like to see, and from that standpoint, yes, probably recent statement from the Fed mostly was Jerome Powell 2 days ago mostly was dovish. So let's see what will happen today's non-farm payrolls. Speaking in general, guys, I'm really happy for those of you who start investing in gold in a physical way. I mean bullions, coins. It's just because we talked about this subject in the last probably 6-8 months since the military operation has started in Ukraine, and later we said that gold probably will be a very important asset in the nearest few years, I suppose. Those of you who have not started to do that or would like to, don't be upset with this recent rally. You haven't missed anything yet, because a reversal stands in the progress. It's not totally finalized, and we will see a few deep retracements still in the nearest few months. So you will have a lot of time to think, make the decision, would you like to invest or not, and so on. Picking on a short-term perspective. So as I said, gold is not at overbought, so theoretically it could climb higher, and this acceleration on the butterfly give a hint that probably market could and should at least keep going to the 1618 extension of the same butterfly. On the 4 time frame chart, you could see it stands around 1823. So it's really big chances that this target still could be reached, maybe even today. So what will happen next, we will see, because as I said, I'm still watching for this probably head and shoulders pattern. And this might be also the bread and butter sell on the gold market as well, which actually should become the pattern that give us the right arm of the pattern. So they are stands in relation to each other. This head and shoulders and potential bread and butter sell on a monthly chart. It's actually the same pattern. On the hourly chart, what I could say here, guys, if you would like to take more or less long-term position on the gold, currently probably it's not the big, not the good point to do this. This market stands near resistance, near the targets. Makes sense to wait. But if you would like to make the very short-term trade, for instance, just for today's session, with the target around 1823, well, in this case, you probably could consider nearer standing support areas. Currently difficult to say whether this target will be hit today or maybe on Monday. But if market, for example, will show some minor ABCD pattern, theoretically it is possible to consider, or maybe even taking position of this minor pullback. This market could keep going to the 1823 today on the payrolls report. If it is too much risk to you, so probably you could wait until Monday. It's really see what will happen if you do not want to go through the non-farm payrolls report. and do not want to hold position for the weekend. But in general, it seems that 1823 target has really big chance to be completed in the near term, maybe today or next week. So for the bears also, it's nothing to do yet. So despite that, we're coming to hand shorts, main bread and butter, but we do not have yet the signs of the bearish reversal. Once we will get it, we think about the possible bearish positions as well. But currently, I do not see something really interesting.